India's GCC boom. Why the finance minister wants more Fortune 500s in India. India is becoming the global hub for global capability centers, or GCCs, and the finance minister wants to speed things up. Here's why this could be big for India's economy. In 2024, India was setting up one new GCC every week. But that's not enough. The finance minister now urges government and industry to work together to attract even more Fortune 500 companies that haven't yet entered India. So what is a GCC? Also known as a Global In-House Center or Captive Unit, a GCC is where global firms run IT services, research and development, and customer support for their parent organizations from India. India already hosts over 1,800 GCCs, that's nearly 50% of the world's total. They employ 2.16 million people and contribute $68 billion to our economy. By 2030, this could reach $200 billion and 2.8 million jobs. Why is India winning? Cost efficiency, skilled, English-speaking talent, a strong digital push through initiatives like Smart Cities and Digital India, and a massive consumer market. But challenges remain. Infrastructure gaps in smaller cities, skill shortages outside metro areas, regulatory hurdles, and cybersecurity threats. So what's the solution? Embrace technologies like artificial intelligence, automation, and cloud computing. Adopt agile governance to manage global risks. Upskill the workforce and promote hybrid work models. And align GCCs with sustainability and ESG goals. If India plays it right, we can become the ultimate global back office for the world's biggest companies. That means more jobs, more innovation, and global leadership. Like, share, and follow for more simplified news and policy updates.